Alright, we're about to go.
We are going to check out now. How was the trip so far, Richard?
So far, so good. Except
2 thumbs up.
except the steak last night.
Oh well.
Hmm.
At least we've got memories.
Alright,
The good ones.
let's get out of here.
And then this steak.
See you, bye bye.
Yeah.
See you, bye bye.
Paris.
Wait, what's that?
I just purchased a baguette so we can have it with salami, olives, and spreads and stuff. This is what me and Hannah used to buy all the time in Paris. We eat it for lunch, breakfast, and dinner.
You guys will eat baguettes?
Baguette.
Baguette?
Baguette.
So where we're heading to now?
We're heading towards the car. Hopefully we don't die because there's a car towards us.
Yeah, that's right.
Tempest 2.
Tempest
So
2?
we can have, well, it's 10 o'clock now,
Hmm.
but we're just gonna eat all of this, like salami and olives and stuff for breakfast.
Hmm.
And have a picnic.
Okay then. See you, bye.
Okay, so we are on our way to a cafe called Enzo Cafe. We're not dining in, but there is a nice picnic area that we are going to have a picnic at. It's got a really nice view. So yeah. How you feeling today? Me. Hungry. Okay.
Well, we are here at
Pepper's Creek
Pepper's Creek.
to have a little picnic
Have a little picnic.
for
Yep.
breakfast.
We're gonna have a baguette.
Baguette. We didn't get any pate, but that's okay. We've got the.
You didn't get pad thai.
No, I
One
didn't.
job. She had one job.
I know. I thought it was just too much.
One
'Cause
job.
We're going home today too. But I'm definitely gonna have this. Oh, yum.
Next minute, that's blue cheese.
Nah. Oh. Nah. I don't smell any blue cheese in this.
Where we at?
We are at the Hunter Valley Gardens,
Hmm.
but we're not entering
Why?
because we're Asian and we ain't gonna pay $30 for entry fee. But look
Per
how
person.
beautiful the view is here per person. It's so beautiful. This will do.
Alright, so what do you have?
I've got mega raspberry
Hmm.
sour berry.
Apparently they're the sourest.
Well, these are the most sour lollies I've had.
Hmm.
Right, but once you go past the sourness and into the sweetness, it's pretty nice. Are you ready to try one?
If I must.
And it's from the British lolly shop. We just never heard of them.
Well, not my fault. I'm not a lolly person.
I'm not a lolly person too.
What are you on
I'm
about?
not even into sour stuff.
Lies.
But I'm just making him try it.
Lies.
Here you go. Ready?
Oh, we're gonna try it together.
Oh. Okay, ready? Really? You don't know what's
It's my
happening?
left hand.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh wow.
I wasn't joking. It just keeps going. You enjoying
That's
it?
ugly. No.
You're getting all teary.
I'm not going with you, right? Remind me not to have this again.
Keep sucking it.
No.
Well, now it tastes really good.
No.
What's the sour level of these mega sour balls?
Probably an 8.
Really?
Yeah. I've had worse.
Like what?
There's actual sour lollies.
That's rubbish. This is real sour lollies.
My head hurts.
How good do they taste though? How's your tongue going?
My tongue's fine.
Alright.
Have a look in the background.
Look at that. That looks so pretty over there.